Hello friends, welcome to the channel Learn English for GK. In the video, we are going to learn the vocabulary with Hindi meaning. It's Oxford vocabulary, antonym, synonym, use word in sentences, episode 82. And today's word are reputable, adjective. Hindi meaning sammani. Definition, honest and known to provide a good service. Is in sentence, buy your car from a reputable dealer. Word family, reputably. Antonym, untrustworthy. Reputation, noun. Hindi meaning pratishtha. Definition, the opinion that people have about what someone or something is disliked based on what has happened in the past and what they have been told. In the sentence, the restaurant has an excellent reputation. Antonym, disrespect. Resilience, noun. Hindi meaning laughter. Definition, the ability not to be affected or to recover quickly after something unpleasant such as a shock, injury or a disadvantage. Using sentence, this comeback says much for the resilience of the team. Word family, a resilient. Adjective, antonym, fragility. Resolute, adjective, Hindi meaning rude. Definition, having or shown great determination to keep to a plan or a decision that you have made. Using sentence, she became even more resolute in her opposition to the plan. Our family, resolutely, adverb, antonym, irresolute. Resolve, verb, noun, Hindi meaning sankalp. Definition, as a verb, to find a satisfactory solution to a problem or an argument. Using sentence as a verb, where can ordinary people get help with resolving family problem? Definition as a noun, resolve, strong determination to do something that you believe to be right. Use word in sentence. The difficulties in her way merely strengthen her resolve. Word family, resolution, noun, antonym, combine, indecision. Resonance, noun, Hindi meaning pratidhwani. Definition, the ability to evoke or suggest images, memories and emotions, strong appeal. Using sentence, the concepts lose their emotional resonance. Resonate, verb, Hindi meaning sambandhit. Definition, to evoke or suggest images, memories and emotions, to appeal strongly. Using sentence, the idea has a charm that resonates with sense of simplicity. Resource, noun, verb, Hindi meaning sadhan. Definition as a noun, a stock or supply of materials or assets that can be drawn or when required. This is sentence. Local authorities complain that they lack resources. Definition as a verb, resource, to provide someone or something with resources. Use word in sentence as a verb, a strategy which ensures that primary health care workers are adequately resourced. Antonym, assets. Resourceful, adjective, sadhan sampanna, Hindi meaning. Definition, English, having the ability to find quick and clever ways to overcome difficulties. Use in sentence to prove how resourceful he was by organizing the help of local firefighter. Word family, resourcefully, adverb, antonym, unimaginative. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question or suggestion, please comment. If you like, hit like button and share the video and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get new video notification.